I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to disable biometric login on your Ally Bank app, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Ally Bank app. Launch the Ally Bank app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Go to Settings. Once you're in the app, find the settings icon, usually represented by gear symbol. Tap on it to enter the settings menu. Step 3. Select Security Options. In the settings menu, look for the Security or Security Options section. This is where you can manage your login preferences. Step 4. Disable biometric login. Within the security options, find the toggle for biometric login or fingerprint login. Switch it off to disable this feature. Step 5. Confirm changes. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker that update your password if needed. Remember, if you accidentally disable biometric login and can't log in, you can always use your password to regain access. I hope this helps you manage your app preferences easily.